morning, guys. This is Eunice with your herbal knowledge, and today I'm going to be talking about a couple different herbal medicines and so far. And this video came to me after I talked to a couple clients this week about digestion. So today we're going to talk about difficult digestion, and we're going to also talk about what we can do in the herbal medicine department to help that, and we're also going to get right into what causes these difficult digestions. Okay. Difficult digestion comes from a lot of different areas. It comes from bacteria in foods. It comes from stress. It comes from got my little notes here. Stress infections. It also comes from certain medications. Also, you also have the chronic disorders as colitis, Crohn's disease, and you also have the IBS. And IBS is IBS-D, which is IBS diarrhea, IBS-C, which is IBS constipation. So we're going to talk about those things and so forth, and how we can, help ourselves with these symptoms, because according to research studies and so forth, we're talking about 80% or 90% of the American people having some form of this digestion difficulties or difficult digestions. Okay. Also, in this difficult digestion includes in gas, heartburns, and bloating and things like that. So all of this is triggered into difficult digestion. So some of the things that we can do to help with this is a relaxation, helping with the stomach, the bloating, drinking a herbal tea, mint tea. I would recommend a peppermint mint tea or something like that for you to drink to kind of soothe the stomach and all that. Also, too, we have exercising and also avoiding trigger food. Now, the trigger food is what gets me, because we really don't know what trigger foods we're going to eat or drink to trigger gas, bloating, IBS symptoms, and all this and that so far. So that's going to be tricky in avoiding trigger food, but we can certainly do the other things, the relaxation, drinking a mint tea to coat stomach, and also do some exercise and so forth, so we can go on a regular basis. Okay. Now, also, this is where the herbal medicine come in. There are herbal medicine that you can do to help with this and so forth. We have the myrtle. Myrtle is let's see, a plant, and it helps protect the stomach and so forth. It helps, to coat the stomach and so forth, when we're having difficult digestion. Also, too, um, the bay leaf. Bay leaf is an has an antioxidant, anti-tumor, anti-inflammatories, and it's great for helping the stomach, helping with the digestions and things like that. Bay leaves is something that we can purchase from Whole Food, and you can also use bay leaves, chop it up and make a tea, or also you can also include the bay leaves in your cooking of the foods and so forth and things like that. So there's a couple ways you can use bay leaves to help you with your difficult digestions. Okay. Also, too, black pepper. Okay, turmeric is a spice, and so is black pepper, and they go well together with helping you to digest foods and things like that. So you can most people use turmeric capsules, and it seems to work better when you put the pepper into the turmeric. It helps everything to go down. Black pepper is the king of spices, as they say, and so forth, and it just helps, with your digestion problems and things like that. Some people don't like black pepper, but when using black pepper in your food, it does help, with the digestion, according to scientific studies and so far. So, turmeric with the black peppers in it, you can use to sprinkle over on your food and so forth when you eat. You can take herbal capsules, turmeric capsules and so forth to help with the digestive issues and things like that. So these are things to kind of help clean out the digestive system, to kind of help, get rid of, some of these issues that we have, especially like the gas and the bloating, the heartburn, food going down and so far. And also too, a good thing to do is to kind of like, make sure, that you're eating good food instead of bad food, which is easy to say than do because we don't know what bad bacteria are in the foods that we eat. So, and I know that eating organic foods and so forth is kind of expensive and so forth and things like that. But maybe we can do a little whole food, organic foods and so forth, put that into our diet and so forth, because I think and believe that any little thing that you do is going to help. And it's better than, I always say, you can't just do nothing. You know what I mean? So it's better to do something than do nothing. So you have several different herbal medicines that can help with this difficult digestion. And then there's certain things that you can also, do yourself to help keep yourself going, as far as, exercising, avoiding trigger foods, and also relaxations and things like that. And then you got peppermint is also herbal medicine. So you have all those medicines, herbal medicines that can help. Now there's some people that does do the herbal medicine, and then there's some people that do the traditional medicine. They go to the doctor, they get stuff for their ill, symptoms and things like that. And so far, so it's up to you to make that choice about how you want to treat this. And if you can't use this information, pass it on. Like I said, according to research, it's 80-90% of us have these issues, including myself. I have some of these issues as well. And of course, I'm treating my symptoms with herbal medicine and so forth. And it's up to you how you treat your symptoms and so forth. So let's do a recap on these herbal medicine to help with difficult digestion and so forth. And before we go, okay, so peppermint tea is one of the herbal medicine, and that is good for helping with uh, heartburn, bloating, gas, and things like that. As well as relaxation, exercise, taking a walk, to help the food go down, and just kick back, relaxation, walk, exercise is, well, that's the walking is exercise. Okay, but yeah, those are things that you can do. And also with the herbal medicine, you have myrtle, which helps protect the stomach. And so far, you got the bay leaf that is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and it helps a lot with the stomach, helps food go down, digestive system. Also, you have black pepper with turmeric, also helps with the digestion so far. Turmeric and black pepper together is the best, and you can also just sprinkle that in your foods to help you. You can also use herbal capsules to help you. And they sell those in Whole Food store. Also, bay leaves also can be cooked in your foods to help you and so forth and things like that. And you can also chop up a bay leaf and so forth and make a tea out of that to help you as well for your difficult digestion. So there are things we can do, and there are actually more things than just the things that I just discussed with you. So do some research and so forth, and get the information and so forth, and recommend that you use some of these suggestions and things like that to help you with your difficult digestion. So if this information can't help you, then just pass it on. And as I always say, before you start an herbal regimen, seek a herbalist or a healthcare provider, before you begin. And till next time, hopefully be back on a Wednesday. And I hope this information has helped you. As I say, I'm one of those 80-90% people that has some of these symptoms and so forth and things like that. And they're not uncommon. They're very, very, very common symptoms, very, very common problems and so forth that we can, treat. But we gotta, get to it and, start doing our research and, start trying things to help with these symptoms in order to, try to get rid of them and things like that. So next week, I'll see you then. Bye.